Grand Chief Alvin Fiddler is putting the province on blast for failing to consult with NAN in funding their mental health services. Indigenous Services Minister Greg Rickford and Associate Minister of Mental Health and Addictions Michael Tobolo announced $2.6 million in emergency mental health funding for NAN on Monday.
I've been to communities still reeling from loss who have welcomed me without fail, graciously and with respect, even though they had every reason in the world to be upset. It'll always be my goal to return that respect by listening and engaging and by behaving like a partner.
During the announcement, both Tobolo and Rickford spoke about the importance of listening to First Nations and following their lead. But Fiddler says although there was some communication, there was no official meeting between NAN and the province ahead of the announcement. He adds NAN had invited the ministers to a meeting on mental health just 2 weeks ago, but they didn't attend.
They're announcing money here and there, but it's not really part of an overall framework. We need to have a plan that is comprehensive and that is really based on the needs of our communities, and the way they've been operating last week and a half is just unacceptable. That we cannot operate in a way that that's at their convenience. To have meetings that works for them and not for our communities, then they just throw money at us without any real thought behind it.
Fiddler says the province needs to work in a respectful way and partner with First Nations to develop programs that respond to community needs. He's still asking the province for an official meeting with all the relevant ministers at the table. In a written statement, a spokesperson for Rickford's office committed to a meeting with NAN regarding mental health funding that, quote, supports mutual priorities and objectives that improve the health, social, and economic well-being of First Nations.